Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating your Delta Exchange account and enabling two-factor authentication. This protects your funds. Next, generate API keys with read and trade permissions only. Do not enable withdrawals. Once done, copy the key and secret and store them in an encrypted file or a password manager so you can paste them into the bot later. Make sure to label the keys and record created date. This prevents confusion when managing multiple bots or rotating keys. You now pick a strategy that matches your time horizon and volatility tolerance. Choose grid for range markets, trend following for momentum, or scalping for fast moves. Then configure position size, maximum concurrent trades, and set stop loss and take profit rules to guard capital. Once configured, run a backtest on historical data to validate parameters. After a satisfactory backtest, deploy in paper trade mode for 24 to 72 hours to observe real market behavior without risking capital. Adjust risk. You can deploy the bot live using a conservative allocation, typically 1 to 5% of your portfolio per bot, and then monitor order fills, P&L, and system logs closely. Make sure to set alerts for execution errors, API disconnects, and drawdowns so you can intervene quickly. If something goes wrong, first stop trading and revert to paper mode. Revoke and regenerate API keys if suspicious activity appears. Inspect logs for error messages and escalate to support with.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.